it melted the hangers, it melted the foam. You got so lucky, like so lucky, it's unbelievable.
What we have done. While Lapo is washing his hands to be ready to give you a full workshop introduction and all the updates on our cars, I want to remind you that we're gonna have a yearly open day here at Vulcan Alpha Saturday after Car Friday, the 4th of April. So come by to check out our cars, meet the team, meet all kind of content creators, influencers, see our race cars. We're gonna have food truck, simulators, and you name it. So see you Saturday, the 4th of April. And now, what's happening here? Previously, you've seen this car do a lap and also being purchased. And today I wanted to do another lap, but then the track was shut because someone spilled massive oil on track during industry pool and they need the whole day to clean this up. It was not Gio because his car is standing here. We'll give you a bit of update. So basically what Lapo and I will be doing today, we'll give you an update on the C6, on a lot of other cars here, and also on the Civic, because that came back and it has received quite some interesting updates. So let's walk over to the Corvette.
Let's do the Corvette first.
Let's see what has happened. So quick update in case you missed it. This is a car I bought to be my 2026 ring track car, and the goal is to build it like as a proper Nürburgring track tool. And probably next year it's gonna go completely next level with sequential gearbox, racing engine, full carbon body, basically what the Civic is going to be this year. Right now the car is fully stock, and what we've done is we changed the oil to make sure that we wouldn't repeat the Civic scenario and went for 2 laps, and then the car almost caught fire after the 2nd lap because the exhaust valves...
So I never seen something like this from, let's say, a stock setup, because the valves closed. So they had all the back pressure on the mufflers, and the mufflers overheated, so it was a big oven, and it melted everything around. So now
we applied some heat reflection.
it melted the hangers, it melted the foam. You got so lucky, like so lucky, it's unbelievable. But fortunately we were actually there and we put some water on the stuff, but you can see the license plate was also melted, so very lucky. But so what we did, we welded open the valves because we're getting a new exhaust, so just for safety.
Yep.
The valves are welded open, and we replaced the hangers from actually that car.
From Ross's car. Comes in handy.
And yeah, we put some, I don't think it's really necessary. We cut of course the old plastic, melted plastic off, and we put some heat reflective tape on the diffuser section.
So basically, while we're here, we might as well already think of some diffuser.
Yeah, we need to take the whole thing off.
Yeah, but it's coming, for sure.
Yeah, it's coming. Also, we're getting another C6 in the workshop very soon.
Oh yeah, true. We're working on getting an update exhaust. I can give you a hint. It's going to be loud. I might as well say the name, Celery Tech. I think I'm saying it correctly. People who know, they know. Proper equal length headers. What else do we have here? Has the front survived properly?
Yeah, the car is all fine. It was only that little problem of the valve getting stuck closed. It happens. The car, it was a collector's car.
Item, probably, yeah.
And it wasn't driven that much. I mean, 50,000 kilometers.
Yes.
60?
Yeah.
So almost new.
Yeah.
I mean,
for a car that's almost like 20 years.
You have a small leak here. If you want, do you want to show it? Or
yeah, we can have a look.
You have a small leak here from the diff section of the transmission.
Okay.
So yeah, we need to address that. So depending on what you got for the transmission,
we are getting like a double transmission coolers from Luigi Lotti Racing.
Okay.
From both sides.
No, the close ratio, is it just pinion, or is it ring gear, or is it?
Louis, what are you sending me? I don't know.
This is what I have to deal with every day. Okay.
I said, I want a shorter ratio. Give me a 4.33. So.
Okay, so it should be a pinion and ring and pinion.
But also, like wave track diff probably. No, or RPM. I
Yeah,
forgot.
but what I want to know if we need to go in here or if we just need to go in here. Because if we need to go in here, it's a different type of job, but it doesn't matter. Just we'll see.
Yeah.
Well, the exhaust is gonna go. Then this needs to be dropped. So I need to check if it's easier to drop the whole cradle,
Yeah.
so all the subframe, or we just can finagle this out. Probably this needs to go because the bolts are in the back of this. And you
Yeah,
go-
because soon we'll be installing like solid engine mounts, diff mounts,
Yeah.
and also complete solid bushings.
yeah, we have them here.
We have them here. Tick performance came through.
Actually, really good quality.
Really, really nice quality.
I like this because it locks itself. And these go basically like so. And it's slot in. And instead of having the eccentric bolt fixing the setup, you have an actual pin. Basically, it's pinned and positioned. And you
Yeah.
have more room instead of the eccentric bolt.
Yeah. And then we have many, many more.
Yeah.
Actually, we have also the bump steer kit for
Yeah.
the front axle.
And then you have the uniball conversion. So these are press-in. Instead of having the rubber, you have a solid uniball balling.
So it's going to be very, very nice. GRZ RS Pro 3-way suspension is also being made for the car, so that's coming almost at the same time.
Yeah.
We have also, to kind of prevent oil starvation, we have Aviate tank inserts. I know a lot of Corvette owners are going to say, you should put C7 tank in there. Yeah, we're trying to get this done, but finding a C7 tank here is a bit more difficult. We're sourcing one in the US, so it's gonna come later, but at the same time,
This is going to be enough.
Yeah.
You have the baffled, oil pickup baffled section, which helps with oil going around in the oil pan, and then with that the aeration should be lower. Aeration in the oiling system should be lower, so
yeah.
it's going to be fine.
Yeah. Then, I mean, this is just
This is Ross's Corvette.
work in progress.
I really start wanting a Corvette now.
Yeah. Everyone, including Jimmer, who now actually after seeing my car, he said like, "Oh, I'm sorry about the Ferrari because I should have bought the Corvette."
Yeah. Whoa. This is going to be fun, okay?
It is.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Don't
yeah.
downplay. This is incredible.
Yeah,
360. Best
So a
car
little update on this car. Same as previously, suspension components are now at Suspension Secrets. They're coming in 2 weeks to put all the Unibolt components on. GRZ RS Pro 3-way suspension is already here. We took off the steering wheel because it's getting full Ritka driver steering wheel from Fusina.
Yeah.
Seats are arriving somewhere this week, I
Yep.
think. Cage is...
Cage is in 40-ish days. AST is making it custom. Probably you're gonna even maybe get it on their catalog. You
Yeah.
know, we're gonna test fit it first
Because
it's a
the big
prototype.
pain in the butt is like the C6, this aluminum chassis, so you cannot just weld in. You need to make
to
something
bolt and
bolt in.
weld and do
And
other.
finding something again for an older car, yeah, there are some challenge cages
You
out
cannot
there
find it
online,
anymore.
but we contacted all the shops and they're like, yeah, no, the item doesn't exist anymore. Like,
I-
why you have it on your website?
I was this close to doing it myself.
Yeah,
This close, but then I said, whatever.
yeah. And a 6.
NSX kit is designed in production. Should be here in a week or two.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Aero kit for people who don't know.
Yeah,
but
sorry,
then we
aero kit.
found out some more painful things.
Not painful. It's like so. so
So
okay. So a shaft needs a seal to keep the oil in, and this is not an OEM gearbox. This is a sequential gearbox, and it has an adapter plate because it was designed for front wheel engine setup. So in this way. The only problem is because the NSX has this different, sizing. Well, you cannot take the seal off because the sandwich plate it's interfering. So to take the transmission off, you need to take the engine off. So we're taking the engine off. Also, we had a problem with the axle overheating because of the angle. So we're gonna raise 10 millimeter the engine up. We're gonna modify a little bit the engine mounts to raise it a little bit and help not have that steep angle on the drag shaft, which is very, very bad. We're going to change the grease to high temperature grease and do a small mod. We'll put a vent in the boots, so when they heat up, the air inside doesn't stay stagnating, and it can vent out and do all the good stuff. Sorry. We're taking the wrap off because it's very, very sad. It's a race car wrap that's been there for like 10 years.
Yeah.
So we're taking it off and refreshing the, let's say, the bodywork with a new wrap.
Gio's car.
Gio's piece of shit. I can say that now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. It's back.
Cage
I still have the
painted.
flash. I don't know why I'm flash guy now.
Yeah, you like the flash.
Yeah. Okay. Cage is painted. Pretty nice. Cage looks incredible, to be honest. I really, really like it. Is it overkill? Maybe. Do we want to be safe? Very much so. So this is as safe as it gets.
Yep.
We've starting to do the wiring, cleaned up everything, eliminated what it wasn't needed. I cut the dash, scanned the whole thing, knew where I needed to cut, so it's very clean, and you don't have all the jagged edges, and we could keep also the inserts at the side, which I like because it closes off and it looks, let's say, more OEM, if you're gonna call this OEM.
Yeah.
We still need to make the fuse box relocation because you have the bar that goes to the strut tops interfering, so we need to clean up there, and then literally after that is seats in, checking everything, and then the car is done.
Yay. Can drive it.
TÜV.
Yes. Some customer cars.
Customer car which is done.
This.
Zeno's car.
Yes.
So good.
Alpine.
So good.
Developed in-house aero kit for it.
Yep.
Which consists out of the wing.
Yep.
Adjustable. What's the downforce levels?
So depending on the ride height, you're looking between 250 and 300
kilos.
Yes,
overall.
kilos overall with the floor and everything.
Yeah.
Mostly it's limiting the nose lift that these cars have up front. So the floor now works better. I'm also contemplating on doing a small extension lip for Zeno, which is probably going to come in like 2 weeks.
Yeah, we'll have the louvers.
Yeah, louvers.
For fender vents.
Yeah, which are also internally, let's call it, there's a net.
Yeah, you can see it, so it's so that
so
there's
no
stuff.
stones.
Yeah,
coming
and we'll go out.
Going
we have
out.
canards. Yeah. And the wing. Yeah, and this is now already available. You
And
can.
the website.
Yeah, we just would love to install a bigger front splitter, but maybe that's something that's going to come
In the future. Yeah.
That was customer brief. No front splitter, just leave it as is. And so that's what we have done. People have been asking for update on this. I think it will come soon.
We're waiting for the cage. Should be here in 25 days.
Yeah.
And then the car should be pretty close for completion.
Yeah, also with other aero elements. And then
the baby boy.
Yes, the Civic. My Civic is back from Stahlis, one of the world's best fabricators. He does pretty much all the majority of cages for NLS, for Nürburgring racing, also some F1 safety cars, and a lot of other things that he is doing or has done, and we're not allowed to talk about, but he knows what he's doing. What we have done, or what he has done, but what I have asked him to do. A full cage, of course, that goes to the front.
Yep.
You can see it here, so it goes to the front towers. Also in the back, we have the rear subframe reinforcement. Where should I film it? Like over there, we have here. Look at those welds, by the way. So look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Also in the back goes, of course, also to the rear suspension towers. And then after he was done, I was like, hey, can you stitch weld my chassis as well? Because that is what the first Type R was famous for, the EK9, because it was essentially the same chassis but was stitch welded and it added to rigidity. And if you've driven the EK9, wow, without the cage, the chassis is already so good. So yeah, to eliminate all the ifs and buts, you can see the panels where they come together, they have been stitch welded in addition. Now, some people might ask, should you just not take this out if you want to run bigger wheels so you can install wells? We will end up doing lots of chassis modifications, but we wanted to make sure that the chassis is super stiff now before we start cutting into it and yeah, making it flexing and whatever. So there will be some more modifications. This would be quite likely one of them. Mm-hmm. Still debating if we're gonna cut off the front end, maybe, possibly. Yeah. Just to make like
I'm gonna wait doing that until we have all the body panels so we can assemble them and see what's what, and then if necessary we can just lop it up and make a wireframe basically.
Yeah, exactly. We have received lots of tips from the Honda community, hill climb community, what they do to bring those cars to like 750 kilos with cage. Not sure if I want to go that far. But yeah, around 800, 850 would be already like quite insane with 300.
Oh, don't worry, I'm gonna start chopping.
Yeah, exactly. Also, on the back, we have preparation for ATL fuel cell.
Which is gonna be relocated.
Yes, because we have decided again to put this now more closer to the center where the original fuel tank is. The only complication is then we would need to add a firewall. Yep. But yeah, why not? Why not? Reminder, this car is going to get all the panels from carbon fiber. The roof is going to go, then everything else, yada, yada, yada.
Parcel shelf is going to go.
Yeah, all the unnecessary weight because we're not putting any speakers in.
All this stuff is going to go.
Yeah. So
and then we're going to trim around here because the whole quarter panels are going to be carbon.
Yeah, yeah.
Carbon,
so that's
carbon,
coming next.
Carbon.
Also, speaking of carbon, Air Force Parts have made a prototype carbon dash. Initially, I ordered one from Galway Carbon because they have one, and then I realized, hold on a second, you're from Ireland, right-hand driven country. Your dash is right-hand drive, my car is left-hand drive. Oh,
is it?
So yeah, we have this prototype of a dash that we're gonna install, cut through, and see what we can adapt and adjust. And the good news, engine will be finished this week, and it will come to us next week. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be, it is something special. You've seen some updates, some teasers, but the engine will be here. And finally, speaking of which, every year at Vulcan Alpha we host open door event, so to say, on Saturday after Car Friday. Because Car Friday is the big unofficial season opener of the Nürburgring, one of the biggest events. We have lots of people, but officially it's not an event because it's a religious holiday in Germany. You're not allowed to do anything because you might upset Jesus. You're literally not allowed to dance. Police might arrest you, so do not do things. Like any kind of events and gatherings are prohibited. But on Saturday it is okay. So on Saturday after, if you want to stop by, check out our cars, which will have the engine and a couple of more features. Corvette will have a lot of things installed. And we're going to have a few more things, including also the race car from Black Falcon. Team Fanatec will be here. Maybe Jimmy, Steve, who knows, they might be here. So every year we have lots of things to do. Novus is bringing additional sims, so you can beat all my lap times on the sim. Not that hard. Also Lapos, lap times in hill climb, yeah, who knows. And yeah, food trucks, you name it, so see you then. Yeah, so far, short update. Let us know what you think of stuff happening. I see that our new mechanic has stolen my tires.
Didn't have, not even time to finish the sentence.
No, exactly. He's like, oh, do you need those or are you getting new wheels? The new wheels are arriving actually this weekend.
They look so good.
Oh no, thanks for watching. If you made it till the end of the video, we're gonna try to take out Corvette tomorrow for a lap, maybe, to see how it goes. Because I want to have a proper lap in the stock form so we have a benchmark. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.